YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy TriniFX here, back with another trading recap. Alright guys, today is Monday, no news Monday. This one's going to be a quick one. What I was looking coming into this new week was for us to continue with the bullish momentum. We could see we had some pretty bullish momentum coming off the 30th of July coming into August, and we were delivering from this daily BISI we saw Friday push higher. So I wanted to see Monday continue with the momentum, and if you could see all this stock liquidity built up here, guys. So I'm thinking that we'll run this over the next coming month or so. So jumping into a 1 hour time frame, let's see how today began. Right, so we're on a 1 hour chart now. As remember, we were delivering from this daily BISI. We ran up Friday, consolidated, Asia opened, we dipped down into this 1 hour BISI that sent price higher. Market opened, we just consolidated. So I was looking for bullish momentum. However, when I woke up, we could see how the market was setting up. We accumulated, we manipulated in London, and we could have anticipated the distribution. So I was kind of conflicted because we were leaving behind 1 hour CBs, but we also had this 1 hour BISI. So we were in between two higher time frame PD arrays. So I was patient, I wasn't rushing anything. It's Monday as well, no news. So we just had to let the market come to us. Even if we go to a 15-minute time frame, we could see how it was setting up more so a bearish day. You could even see market structure shifts happening. It was disrespecting BISIs on the left side of the curve. So New York opened, we traded higher into this 15-minute fair value gap, and that sent price lower. However, we still had this hourly BISI as well as this 15-minute BISI. So we were just in between PD areas. There was no clear direction in New York. London sold off and pre-New York, but New York more or less was consolidating. Yes, if you took micro scalps, you could have gotten some moves. So once we traded higher, I dropped down into my 1 minute chart to see if we could have framed a short, as we were setting up for a short bias. As we could see, market opened, we went back and forth into this 15-minute BISI and then began to trade lower. So if I was looking for my confirmation entry, and what that is the first candle to trade in to a fair value gap. Once this candle closes below this candle, I would have taken a short. However, you saw displacement straight into the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So that was a no-go for me. Then price retraced. This was our first presented fair value gap, and I was anticipating to go short at this candle. However, it traded up and started to trade away very quickly. I did enter short here on this confirmation candle, right? So if you could see, my entry was there, stop was just above consequent encroachment, but anticipating that today I was more or less neutral. I trailed my stop pretty quickly, and you could see the candle wick back up and took me out break even. So this was the first trade. I let price play out. We could see it traded lower, then traded higher back above the first presented fair value gap. I was looking at this as a market structure shift. Price traded down into 50% of this range. However, I didn't have any 1 minute BISIs that I was looking for price to trade into. So I let price play. It played out, it traded up. This was the first BISI, and as price traded into it and was trading away, I took my long. However, we could see this 1 hour fair value gap on top here. So once again, I trailed my stop when this candle was bullish. I trailed my stop and price ultimately respected the 1 hour SIBI and took me out break even at this point in time and traded lower, and just chopped around for the remaining of the day. So, I mean, let me know if you guys took any trades today in the comments, whether you were long bias or short bias. But today, you could have gotten chopped up because you could have gone short, stopped out, gone long, stopped out. You got a good move up here, then it hit the hourly. You could have gotten stopped out if you did not trail your stop. So days like this, guys, if you took a loss, better to move to the sidelines and wait for cleaner price action. So tomorrow we will see what the day brings us. I know we have no news tomorrow as well, and we will be setting up for CPI and the PPI. So that's on Wednesday and Thursday. So if you want to wait until those high impact news, that's always a good move. Tomorrow is Tuesday, and then we have Wednesday with the high impact. So guys, that's the trading recap for today. Hope you found some value. Let me know if you took some trades today. What was your bias? And like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll talk again with you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.